Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm talking about equinox and solstice. Difference between equinox and solstice. The difference between solstice and equinox is provided below in my screen format. But before learning the difference, one must understand the basic concept of equinox and solstice. So let's start the video. If you're not to subscribe my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. What is equinox? Equinox refers to a day with an equal duration of day and night. We have two equinox in a year, which are spring equinox on March 20, autumnal equinox on September 22nd. What is solstice? On the other hand, solstice refers to a day with either the longest day or the shortest. The two solstices in a year are winter solstice on December 22 and summer solstice on June 21st. As the earth orbits around the sun in an elliptical path, its tilted axis results in the sunlight reaching the earth's surface at various angles. This is the reason why the length of days and night vary and are not the same anywhere in the world. In this video, we look at the various difference between equinox and solstice. So let's learn this. What is the difference between an equinox and a solstice? Equinox literally means equal night when the lengths of the day and night are identical. On this date, the sun moves across the celestial equator, essentially moving into the other hemisphere. It next happens with the southward equinox on Wednesday, 22nd September 2021, when the sun will cross into the southern hemisphere. Now talking equinox versus solstice. See my screen. Time of the year when the sun is nearest to the equatorial plane, giving equal length of day and night. Then solstice, time of the year when the sun is farthest from the equatorial plane, resulting in long nights and days. Second is an equinox occurs at the start of the spring and fall. The solstice occurs during the summers and the winter. Third point is happens twice a year. Happens twice a year. Fourth point is occurs on March 20 vernal equinox and on September 22nd autumnal equinox. And solstice is occurs on June 21st summer solstice and on December 22nd winter solstice. The listed were a few differences between solstice and equinox. While the solstice results in a change of the length of night the day, the equinox do not. The summer and winter solstices result in the longest and shortest day of the year respectively, while the equinox result in an equal amount of daylight and darkness received all across the earth. So here are some differences between equinox and solstice. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching.